Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly innovative to review, the SZHUAYI iPhone flash drive. If you're tired of storage warnings on your phone or worried about running out of space, this might be the perfect solution for you. Let's dive in and explore this multifunctional flash drive. But before we delve into the details, let's highlight some key features of the SZHUAYI iPhone flash drive. Yes, you heard that right, 1000 GB of storage. Say goodbye to those pesky storage warnings and enjoy extra space for your device. This flash drive is a game changer. What sets this flash drive apart is its 3 connectors, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, iPads, and computers. No need to buy separate drives for each device. With USB 3.0 connectors, you can effortlessly transfer content between devices at high speeds. It's all about convenience and efficiency. The flash drive includes encryption software for password-protected files, keeping your sensitive data safe. This flash drive is incredibly compact, making it suitable for almost any situation. Carry your favorite movies, TV shows, and files wherever you go. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into this innovative flash drive. If you're tired of those pesky storage warnings on your phone, this flash drive has your back. It provides a whopping 1000 gigabytes of additional storage space, eliminating the need for costly upgrades. One of the standout features is its triple connectors. You can seamlessly transfer files between your iPhone, iPad, and computer. It's the first memory in the world that can do this. Thanks to USB 3.0 connectors, moving content between your devices is lightning fast. No more waiting around for files to transfer. The flash drive includes encryption software for password-protected files. Share your content while keeping sensitive data secure. This flash drive's compact design means you can take it anywhere. Store your favorite movies, TV shows, and documents from your computer and enjoy them on the go. In conclusion, the SZHUAYI iPhone flash drive is a game changer for those looking to expand their device's storage and streamline file transfers. It's versatile, secure, and incredibly convenient. If you found this review helpful and you're ready to upgrade your storage game, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting reviews. And if you have any questions or experiences with this flash drive, share them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Product Critique. Until then, stay tech savvy and storage ready.